Hello everyone, welcome back. So as I said, we are going to discuss about the methods, which is nothing but sorting methods or removing the duplications. Okay, so let's create another method which will return the distinct hobbies. I don't want the duplicates. Okay, so let's copy the method. It's not very complicated thing. It's simple. Hobbies. We can call them as a distinct hobbies. The one other thing. Once the data is flatten, then you can use the another method called distinct. The name itself, you know that what is distinct, removing the duplications, right? Okay, we got the distinct list here. So hobbies result with duplicates, and I'm going to add another one without duplicates. Distinct hobbies. Okay, let's run this. Let's see. Have you seen the difference here? With duplicates, without duplicates. So without duplicate we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 elements. But with the duplication there are a lot. Okay. Okay, so let's try some other scenarios. I have the data ready. I don't want not only the distinct, I want to sorted them also. That is similar to the distinct also. Distinct. You can once the data is flat and you can use a method called sorted, which will take care of the sorting. Okay. So map and flatten the data and sorted the data and removed the duplications and collected them as a list. Okay. Now let's run this and see whether this particular data has been sorted. Initially here cricket, swimming, tennis, driving, music, football, right? Well, let's see the change. Just run it again. See now there's a change. Cricket, driving, football, music, swimming, tennis. Everything has been sorted. Okay. Okay. So is there anything else we can do? Yes, we can do that because there are something like custom sets because person is a DTO, right? The DTO I have a lot of elements. So I wanted to sort out a particular result into a some specific kind of elements like person name or based on sorting based on the height or based on the salary or based on the number of kids, right? So let's do that. But before that, uh, there is another method called count. So what is count? Okay, I have a list of hobbies, right? So since we have only 6 elements here, it's easy for us to just read out and we can count them. But when we have the humorous number of hobbies and we want to know how many total hobbies which we are referring so far in our system. So you can use the count method to get those information. Okay, so how are we going to do that? So I'm going to create another method, static long and count of hobbies. Count of hobbies. Or if you want, you can do the count of kids also. How many total kids that you can do that. So count of hobbies, the input is going to be the same list of persons. So return. So what we are going to do is I'm going to use the person list here and dot stream. Before we directly use the flat map, we need to collect the map first because the map will retrieve the list of hobbies. So map, so person and get hobbies. Got it? Then we can use the flat map. Flat map. So list, and I'm converting them into a stream. So once data is put it into stream, then you can use the distinct, and then you don't need to collect as a collection because it's just we are going to return only the primitive data type, right? So we can use the count method which will return the total count. Okay, so take a look at it, person list.stream, and then I'm using a map to retrieve the hobbies and using flat map to flatten the hobbies into a single list, and I'm removing the duplicates and I'm making a count of it. Okay, so let's print that and see. So hobbies count, so count of hobbies, and this is going to be, let's run this and see the hobbies count is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, pretty simple, right? Okay, so in the next video we're going to continue the flat map, but we are going to talk about the custom sort example which I already told you. Okay, let's meet each other in the next video. Thank you.